Folks, AM radio began in the early 1900s and it's still used today. I can remember listening to sports broadcasts, political talk shows, and music on AM channels. And being from the coast that's affected by hurricanes, I've also depended on AM radio for vital alerts. The Emergency Alert System delivers urgent information to Americans over AM radio during times of crisis. AM frequency waves are stronger and they're able to travel further than other waves, making them perfect for the Emergency Alert System. Without access to this frequency, Americans are at risk of not receiving crucial, life-saving information. That's why it's imperative that we here in Congress work to ensure that the Emergency Alert System functions properly and reaches all Americans who need it.